All right, this is under the dock for December, and watch your YouTube timer. Um, we've had about another 6 inches of rain. The water is very murky, but at about 58 seconds, you're going to see a bass come into view, and behind that bass is a very large bass. Now, I went out in the channel and found the fish. They're in 20 feet of water. Of course, we're filming in 8 to 11, so they're not quite to us yet in numbers, but at least we did get some bass. At 3:14, you're going to see a couple of fish I want you to identify for me if you can. If we were on the Swanee River, I'd be tempted to say that was a sturgeon, but I'm not sure what those are. They're probably carp, but I just don't know. And I noticed when I was pulling up the camera at 4:30, there's another bass under the dock. I just barely did see it. Now, a minute and 24 in, you're also going to see a small male bass that's just hanging around the pole there. But that's what we see so far. So that's under the dock for December 15th.